Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations, and the lessons we're going to cover today are addition and subtraction ways to make a number, which sign makes the number sentence true, addition and subtraction facts numbers up to 10, and then addition and subtraction facts numbers up to 18. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 1 math. The chapter we are on right now is mixed operations. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition and subtraction ways to make a number. Okay, so let's just start with the first example, that is how do you make 2. So basically you are given more than one options. Either you have to add to make a number or you have to subtract to make a number, right? So the first one is how do you make 2. So basically these are the four options you are given. They are 4 take away 2 is 2. Okay, they are 4 take away 2 is 2, 7 take away 3 is 4, 0 plus 5 is 5, and 0 plus 3 is 3. So you need to select the one that makes 2, right? So the only option that makes 2 is 4 take away 2 equals 2. Got it? Okay, I'm going to start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself. They are already solved, right? So one more thing, you can simply click on this live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, right? You don't have to go to Skype now. You have to simply click on this button, so they are available before the test. Once you start the test, you cannot take help, right? So the first one is how do you make 3. So you are given four of the options, right? You need to select the one that makes 3. So start with the first option, do whatever operation you are given to perform. First one is 2 plus 0, you need to add. So whatever number you add to 0, the number stays the same, right? So 2 plus 0 is 2. Then you have 10 take away 7. So when you 10 take away 7, you have 3, right? Then you have 8 take away 3, so 8 take away 3 is 5, and 11 take away 3 is 6. So you need to select the one that makes 3. So here is the correct option, that is 10 take away 7. That's the only option that makes 3. Got it? So the correct option is 10 take away 7. The next one is how do you make 4, right? You are given 4 of the options. You need to select the one that makes 4, right? So let's just see which one makes 4. You have 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 makes 3, 4 minus 0 makes 4, 10 plus 6 makes 16, and 14 take away 4 is 10. So the correct option, the one that makes 4, is the only option, that is 4 take away 0. The option number 2 is the correct option, right? 4 take away 0 is 4. So option number 2 is the correct option. How do you make 10? So which is the correct option? The correct option is the one that makes 10 is that's option number 1. Very good. 10 take away 0 makes 10. So option number 1 is the correct option. How do you make 9? So which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 9 take away 0 is the correct option, right? That is the only option that makes 9. So 9 take away 0 is the correct option. How do you make 8? Which is the correct option? That is the last one. Very good. 8 take away 0 is 8. Option number 4 is the correct option. That is 8 take away 0 is 8. How do you make 2? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 take away 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. That's the only option that makes 2. Very good. How do you make 6? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, the last option is the correct option. 0 plus 6 is 6. How do you make 7? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. 8 take away 1 is the correct option, right? That's the only option that makes 7. So 8 take away 1 is the correct option. How do you make 1? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 0 plus 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. You have to make 1. How? 3 plus 3 is 6, but you have to make 1. Yes, 0 plus 1 is the correct option. Very good. How do you make 5, which is the correct option? The correct option is 9 minus 4 equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? 9 take away 4 is 5. How do you make 4, which is the correct option? That is 10 take away 6 is the correct option, right? That's the only option that makes 4. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is, which sign makes the number sentence true? Okay, so the first one is, which sign is missing? You have to find the missing sign, and you need to see, like, the operator is missing here, right? Operator means either you have to add or either you have to subtract, right? So you can put addition and subtraction sign over here. So 2 plus 1 is, if you put the addition sign, 2 plus 1 is 1. No, when you add 2 plus 1 is 3, right? 3 is not equal to 1. So let's just test, see if you can subtract 2 take away 1. Yes, when you subtract 2 take away 1 is 1, so they are equal, right? Option number, that is 2 take away 1 equals 1. Got it? So that means the sign you have put here is subtraction minus sign, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Which sign is missing? 5 plus 2 is 7, or 5 take away 2 is 7. You have two options, right? Just check with the first one. 5 plus 2. Yes, when you add 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 is equal to 7, right? So that means option number 1 is the correct option. You need to add them. That is 5, 7 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So which sign is missing? That is 4 plus 1 or 4 minus 1, which is the correct option? That is 4 plus 1 equals 5. You need to add them, right? Because when you add 1 to 4, that makes 5. Which sign is missing? 8 missing sign 1 equals 9. The correct option is you have to add them, right? 8 plus 1 is 9. So the correct option is option just need to add them. 8 plus 1 is 9. Which sign is missing? 6 missing 9, 1 equals 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 6, take away 1 is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sign is missing? Yes, you have to subtract 7, take away 1 is 6. So you need to subtract 7 minus 1 is 6. Which sign is missing? 3 plus 1 equals 1 or 3 take away 1 is 1. The correct option is yes, you have to subtract. That would be 3 take away 2 equals 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sign is missing? 8 missing number 3 equals 5. You have to add or subtract, which is the correct option. That is 8 take away 3 equals 5. You have to subtract, right? So 8 take away 3 is 5. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? The correct option is you have to subtract, right? 8 take away 2 is 6. So yes, you have to subtract. Which sign is missing? 2 plus 2 is 4 or 2 take away 2 is 4. Yes, you need to add. So 2 plus 2 makes 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. You simply have to add them. Which sign is missing? 9 plus 2 is 7 or 9 take away 2 is 7? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 9 take away 2 is 7. The correct option is subtract. That is 6 take away 3 is 3, right? The correct option is 6 take away 3 is 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is addition and subtraction facts, numbers up to 10. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, you have to subtract 7 take away 3. So how do we subtract? We have two, three ways to subtract. Whatever way you can find easy, you can subtract, right? The first thing is you can make lines like the greater one is 7, so just make 7 lines and remove 3 of them, right? Now you need to count the left one. You have one, 2, 3, 4 left. So 7 take away 3 is 4. The next one is you can count from 3 until 7. The great smaller number is 3. So from 3 until 7, make lines 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just count the lines, you have 4, right? The other way is you can back count, right? Start from 7 and count until 3. So when you start from 7 and count until 3, they are 7, 6, 5, and 4. So you have 4 numbers from 7 till 3. So that means the difference is 4, right? So here I have explained 3 of the ways you can do the way whatever you can find easy for you, right? Okay, I'm going to start with the test question. The first one is 9 plus 1 you have to add. So which is the correct option? So 9 plus 1 is 10. You have to count forward, right? 9 plus 1 is 10. So the correct option is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. So 1 take away 0 is you have to subtract. So subtracting 0 from any number, the number stays the same. 1 take away 0 is 1. The correct option is 1. The next one is 3 take away 1. So which is the correct option? 3 take away 1 is 2. The correct option is 2. Okay, the next one is 8 take away 1. So which is the correct option? You can count back, make lines, or count forward. Whatever method you can find easy, you can count forward means start with 8 and start with 1, count until 8, right? This way you can count forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers you have. So 8 take away 1 is 7. So the correct option is 7, right? The next one is 3 plus 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 0 is 3. You have to add. So 3 plus 0 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 3. So which is the correct option? Yes, you have to add. So 7 plus 3 makes 10. The correct option is 10. The next one is add 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6 it is. So the correct option is 6. Option number. The last one is the correct option. The next one is add 0 plus 4. So which is the correct option? 4 plus 0 is 4 it is. Option number 3 is the correct option, right? That is 4. Adding 0 to number, the number stays the same. So 0 plus 4 is 4. The next one is subtract 8 take away 8. So which is the correct option? 0 it is, right? 8 take away. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So 8 take away 8 is 0. The next one is 7 take away 3. So which is the correct option? Yes, 7 take away 3 is 4. The correct option is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is add 3 plus 5. So, which is the correct option? 3 plus 5 is, yes, the correct option is 8. The last option is the correct one. The next one is add 1 plus 4, which is the correct option? 1 plus 4. So, the correct option is, yes, 5 is the correct option. The next one is add 5 plus 5, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 10. So, the correct option is 10. So, okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition and subtraction facts numbers up to 18. Okay, so let's just start with the test questions you have to do addition or subtraction. So let's just start. The first one is 8 plus 5. So which is the correct option? 8 plus 5. So the correct option is, yes, 13 is the correct option, right? The next one is 12 take away 8, which is the correct option? 12 take away 8 is, yes, 4 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 11 take away 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, 11 take away 5 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is 6 plus 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, very good. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the correct option is 10. Option number 3 is the correct option. Got it? The next one is 0 plus 0. So which is the correct option? 0 plus 0 is, yes, 0 it is. The correct option is 0. Okay, the next one is 4 plus 1. So which is the correct option? Yes, 5 is the correct option. 4 plus 1 is 5. The next one is 1 plus 4. So, which is the correct option? That is 4 plus 1 equals 5. The correct option is 5. The next one is 8 plus 8. So, which is the correct option? That is 16, right? Your class will be at grade 2 session will start at 6. You can find your class at 6. You're looking for maths class? 3 plus 4, which is the correct option? That is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. The correct option is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 12 take away 7. So, which is the correct option? Yes, 12 take away 7 is 5. The correct option is 5. The next one is 15 take away 6. So, which is the correct option? 15 take away 6 is? Yes, 9 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is mixed operations, and the lessons we have covered today are addition and subtraction, ways to make a number, which sign makes the statement, which sign makes the number sentence true, addition and subtraction facts numbers up to 10, and addition and subtraction facts numbers up to 18. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can join me. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.